Before we go to the video, let me show you what we will be doing. We will be creating a binary Python file. It looks like this. And then we will import this file into a Python script and use its code. Let's go!
Jungle and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Hello everyone and welcome to another Python video. Today we will be talking about how to hide Python code using Cython. Gonna leave the link in the description in case you want to follow from here. You are welcome. Now let's start by installing Cython. Cython has more features than just hiding Python code, but for today we will only take a look on that. Let's focus in this specific task. We have Cython installed, should be that simple. And now let's create a Python script with the code that we want to hide. I'm gonna name it core.py and open that with your text editor. Define a couple of functions. It could be something simple such as a summing function. Let's return a plus b, and we can make another one. Let's say that it's a subtraction function, so a minus b. That's simple, it's for the example. Now where the things happen is in this script that I will name setup.py. Now in here we will start by saying what file do we want to hide. So we put this in a Python list like so. Pass in an extension like that. The extension will take two arguments: the name of the output, core, and the second, a Python list with the file that you want to hide. In this case, again, core.py. We need to import extension from setup tools. Setup tools comes with Python installations, so you don't need to install that. Also, let's import setup because we will need right away. Setup, it's a function and it takes this argument extension modules. So we will basically just pass the extensions that we have created previously. Now before we end this part, we will convert this to Cython. Let's import from Cython .build import Cythonize. Now Cythonize lowercase. And we will say that the extensions are Cythonized like this, Cythonize extensions. What this will do is transforming core.py into a C file with C code. Okay, it's that simple. Now when we run this script, and let's do that now, Python setup.py, we will use this command build extension that will compile the C code generated by Cythonize and make it binary and therefore unreadable. Let's put the in place so the generated file is already in this folder. Here it is, it's named core.cp 310, which stands for Python 3.10, Windows, AMD 64 for the architecture. We are almost done. let's take a look on the content of the generated file. So this is basically your code that you will use. It's binary, completely unreadable. Alright, that's what it's looking like. We can delete anything else. We don't need that anymore. But now we need to test that this really works. Let's create a final Python script for that. I'm gonna name it myscript.py and edit this with the text editor. So basically we import from core. It's the name of this file, core dot something dot pyd. So you can import it like this from core. Let's import everything and test this. So let's say that x is equal to the sum of 15 comma 3 and that y is equal to the subtraction of 20 with 6. Let's print both of them. Print x and print y. Let's just test this before we end the video. Python myscript.py. There you go. Hiding Python code. That's it for today. It's a simple video. It has different applications. I'm not gonna dive into that part. I'll leave the creativity for you, the imagination, and yeah. I hope you find this video useful. Say hello, and yeah, thank you so much for the support.